This is the last stream, which didn't show you. I made this during the pandemic. I started January 2021. No end date, so I still have some pages I can write in. Not by much, but anyway, so this was the last stream that I had. September 1st, 2024. I was driving home at night and I saw the rings of Saturn. The planet itself was obscured by a cloud. There was another planet, I don't know which one, and I couldn't see it, I could only feel it. I turned around to take a picture of it. But when I turned around, there's this whole group of people off to the side of the road now. So like everybody's pretty much doing the same thing. They pulled off to take a picture. And it looked like a parking spot, but it was actually, it's one of those like pull-off areas for emergency cars. And I didn't have an emergency. I didn't need that. So I moved my car. And I got out and I was looking at all of these souvenirs that were on the side of the road. And there were Hawaiian stickers and something about NYE. There was like a word and then the word nut after it. I know it wasn't macadamia nut because I know what that is. But we were in a rocky desert, so it didn't make sense for these types of things to be there. The scene switches to a house. Okay, so so there's a really huge group, and almost everyone has a stroller. It's raining and cold based on the clothing that we're wearing, but I don't feel it. We're gathered to observe the event. The atmosphere is very casual, nothing out of the ordinary. We're all seated in a box outside of Earth because we need to be slingshot 3 times around, counterclockwise, to get where we need to go. Scene changes. We're back on the ground. The event is over. Everyone is walking home, still in good spirits, but it's drizzling outside now. And a boy next to me has an iPad and he's giving updates to everyone. He points and he says, "Look, isn't it pretty?" And there's what he's pointing at is there's 2 buildings, apartment complexes. So we're on a cliff, and I lay down and watched. The buildings are framed by fog, so it's kind of like a nighttime scene. You've got the drizzly fog, like that kind of scene. So I can only see the 2, but I know that there's more. These 2 buildings. This one, these lights are flickering off and on like crazy, just like it's a shorting out, right? It's going haywire. This one, all the lights stay on and they never go out. And it had the heart in the corner. Let's see. The boy with the iPad says he's at, and then he says a number. Now he's at 15. Now he's at 14. And that was the end of my dream. I don't know if that means anything. I didn't do any research. I don't have any scripture. Maybe that's something I can get better at. So yeah. I have no idea when or if I will have another dream. But should I, then I will record another video. But as of now, August 1st, 2025, I don't have any more to share. Unless I have one tonight.